Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Amazon gift card balance. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, if you have the Amazon Shopping app, you can launch the app on your phone. For now, I'll navigate to Amazon website on my phone. After that, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to use the gift card balance, you can check out the gift card balance in your account. Here you can see the profile icon, tap on it. Scroll down and here you can see all account option, tap on it. Now you can see all the menu options, so scroll down and under the payment section you can see manage gift card balance option, tap on it. It will allow you to see your gift card balance in your account. Make sure that you have enough gift card balance to use so you can explore any products which you like. Let's say if I want to buy this t-shirt, then scroll down and here you can see add to cart option, tap on it. This has been added to my cart. So here you can see the cart option at the top right corner, tap on it. This is where you can apply your gift card balance. Now all you need to do is tap on this proceed to checkout option. Now it will prompt you to select a payment method and here you can see add a gift card promo code or voucher option, enable this option. And if you have a gift card code, you can enter it over here. And this will be applied to your checkout process. So it will be deducted from your paying amount. After that, you can tap on continue and continue the further process. So that's it. That's how you can use Amazon gift card balance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.